This is how you make the pizza that I mentioned in my last video, step by step. First you take your low sodium sauce, you spread it, not too much, just enough to cover everything. You can put extra sauce on if you like the real saucy taste, but this is sufficient enough amount. Just make sure it's covered on by the edges as well. Then you take the mozzarella pearls. I like using the pearls. Now this is low sodium mozzarella as well. You just spread them all around. They almost look like those little miniature marshmallows, don't they? Try not to make a mess like I'm doing, but it's hard to be neat when you're cooking, so. Cooking license here. You know that expression, artistic license, or taking cooking license here. Then you just keep doing that. And then you add your spices. I'm using organic oregano. Sprinkle it generously. Same thing with the Italian spices now. The Italian seasonings, you just put that right over the top. Okay. And if you want to add green pepper, you just put some of that around and you're done. Put it in the oven for 425 at 20 minutes or however your oven varies. Just make sure that it's not burnt. And you have a delicious, low-fat, low-sodium pizza made with English muffins, low-sodium sauce, and low-sodium mozzarella cheese. Enjoy!